Hi there. Quick Dollar Tree haul. So I was in Orange County and decided I wanted to hop into a Dollar Tree other than my local one. I've always had this thought that my local one was not the best. It's not the worst. It seems to eventually get all of those cool items that you see in the videos. It doesn't have the super section, so the items that are more than $1.25. So I thought maybe this one did. It did not. I was kind of disappointed, quite honestly, at first, until I found some things that I hadn't seen in my own Dollar Tree. So, here are a few things that I got. So, the first thing I'm really excited about are these little bells, and then these little star toppers. I have um, five little Christmas trees that I always set out, and I don't really have any decorations for them. So I thought that these star toppers and these cute bells would be really nice for decorating them. The next thing is just some faux snow. The next thing is the faux snow, which I think all of the Dollar Trees have at this point. I'm going to be using that for some Christmas gifts. But I did come across this Christmas colored raffia. I really have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but I thought it was really cute. I had not seen that at my Dollar Tree. I also picked up these cute picks. I don't know. I am pretty sure that my Dollar Tree has these as well. But I was really happy with them. Now these I'm super excited about. And again, my Dollar Tree may have these at this point. And they're little pot holders that say, I believe in Santa paws with little doggies on them. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to cut the front panel fabric out and put it on something. Put it on wood or glass. I haven't decided quite yet, but it's going to end up being some kind of a gift for some folks. I'm still kind of pondering how I'm going to do that, but I really, really think this is cute. They also have hand mitts that just have the pattern on there. So a couple things I was super excited to get, though. First of all, these wood planks. I've seen a lot of DIYers using these. I have never seen these at my Dollar Tree, so I was super excited to come across them. But my number one super exciting find, the Jenga blocks. Well, they're not real Jenga blocks, but you know what I mean. I look literally every time I go to my Dollar Tree. I look for these. I have never been able to find them. I found 2 boxes at this one in Huntington Beach, and I picked them both up, and dang, I'm excited about it. Anyway, that's my fun, quick Dollar Tree haul from a few days ago. Looking forward to doing some holiday crafting.